Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Everflow webinar. Today's topic is going to be best practices for partner setup and partner postbacks. And my name is Cindy, and I'm part of the success team in Europe. Now, let's start. Today, we are going to go through a partner setup, partner postback setup, and we also have a small Q&A session if there are any questions. Let's jump into the partner setup. This is the overview of Everflow dashboard when you first log in, and on the left-hand side, you have the menu that is indicate where you are within the Everflow platform. And what we are going to do is to look at the partner section of the left side panel. And when you click on Partner Manage, you will see an overview of all the partners that you have added. And you can click on the partner name and see all the information that is related to the partner. So the basic information and overview of the statistics and the billing information as well. There are two ways to add a partner. Obviously, you can go to partner and add. Then you would go through all the 5 steps in order to add a partner. Or you can go to Control Center, Configuration, and in the general cart, you would have all the links here. So it is also possible to send out partner sign-up URLs. Via this sign-up URL, partner will be signed to your Everflow platform automatically. When I click on the partner sign-up URL, this is how it looks like. So there are the mandatory information that they need to fill in. And there are also additional information that you can include in the partner sign-up URL. And you can configure this form within Everflow. You can either use the partner sign-up URL that is provided to you directly by Everflow, or you can host the partner sign-up page by yourself. In that way, you can brand it, the sign-up form according to whatever you like, and you can send the partner information to Everflow via API. You can find that information in the API document or reach out to our support team. Let's go and add the partner together. So when you click on add, you would give a name for the partner, and the status would be active, and let's keep it that way. And you would assign a partner manager to this partner. In the future, if you have multiple affiliate managers, it is also a good way to filter on specific partners based on partner manager. It is also possible to assign a secondary person to this partner if you have more complicated structure. If the partner is referred by another partner of yours, you can always add whoever refer this partner, or let's turn it off. You can give a default currency, and if the partner belongs to certain partner tier, you can also add it here. You can add labels to the partner, and this is how you create a label. You can add multiple labels to one partner, and it is easier for you to filter on partners based on their labels. If you want to send out a direct message, or you want to see a certain statistics in the reporting for specific partner groups, labels would be the way to go. And you can also allow partner to receive notifications, or you can turn that off. Once you turn that off, there will be no notifications sent to this partner. And you can also enable the traffic source on this specific partner. That means when the partner tracking links are generated, this source will be added to the appended to the partner tracking URL. Internal notes is a field for you to add additional information if you would like to. Let's go to next. We also allowed you to store address. If you would like to store specific address for this partner, you can add in the address session. You can also skip that. The billing information. So in Everflow, you can generate invoices automatically for your partner based on the billing information that you define here. So in this case, let's say the billing frequency is weekly, and we want to generate invoices on Monday every week. And we want to enable a payment method for this partner, which is PayPal. Those are all the fields that you can define by yourself. We have other ways to generate invoices or other payment methods that you can select as well. And then I will disable the payment method for now. And you can define an automatic invoice creation date. So for this partner, let's say we want to start from 1st of September. Normally, if that's how you set it up, then the invoice will be generated on every Monday starting from 1st of September. But sometimes you want to create a delay on the invoice generation. You can also create a delay, let's say 1 day. That means the invoice will be generated instead of on Monday. It will be generated on Tuesday. For European client, this is very useful. We allowed you to add a specific VAT percentage to your invoice, to the total invoice. It will be added on top of whatever amount is generated on this invoice. So if you set 10%, then if the invoice's total amount is $100, then the VAT would be $10. So the total invoice will be $110, and your partner can get their VAT back when they do the accountant. If you don't put anything, by default, there will be no VAT added to your invoice. You can also enable payment terms, so net 7 or any custom ones that you would like to set up. It is also possible to hide the invoices from your partner. So it's only for you internally to check the invoices, and your partner will not be able to see that. If you don't hide it, they can also see which invoices has been generated for them. And let's go to next. This one is not so relevant for now, but yeah, if your partner is running any iOS app sources, you can add that there. It's not mandatory. You can choose to add a user to this partner or leave it empty. The difference between having a user and not having a user is when you have a user under this partner, you are able to impersonate this partner. So to see what partner sees in your platform when they log into Everflow. Same for the partner, right? If there is a user attached to this partner, the partner itself can, partner themselves can log into Everflow and check their statistics. If you don't add a user, you will have to send the tracking links and add all the information by yourself. So this is how you add user. You give a name, last name, email address, language, and currency. You can also send an activation email notifying the user of the account creation. You can add multiple users under one partner. We don't have a limitation for that. So that's how you add a partner. Once this is done, then you would click on add and a partner would be created. So that would be how we see in the beginning. When you finish adding a partner, all the information will be presented to you here. At any time, you can also go into the General tab and click on Edit, and you will be able to edit all the information that you just added we just created together, including the address, billing information, and such. So when I added a partner just now, you see that all the billing information was pre-filled, right? Weekly on Monday. This is because I have set up a default billing information under Control Center configuration and under billing. So the partner billing setting, I have created default one. So every time I create a new partner, the default billing information will be pre-filled and you can change accordingly. If you have a default billing settings that you would like to turn on for your partner, you can create it here. So a quick recap for the partner setup. You can add a partner via the sign up link, or you can add them manually. Make sure that to add the default settings, such as billing information. A few other things I would like to mention related to manage your partners is that when you have a partner signed up via the partner sign up URL, they would end up under pending. So if you click on pending, and you can click on the partner to see the relevant information. And then if everything is correct, you can click on general cart and approve them. If you would like to change anything, you can click on edit. Then you can change the partner manager for this partner, and you can change the partner tiers and add traffic source or internal nodes if you like. So that's how it looks like when a partner is signed up via the partner sign up URL. And if you have a lot of affiliates managers, you can also have affiliate managers to send out their own partner sign up URL. So for example, I can go to Control Center, my account, and here I can find a partner sign up link that is related to me. And what does that mean is that I can send out this partner sign up link for any partners that I manage to go through the partner sign up process, and the partner manager will be automatically defaulted as Cindy myself. So that is also super easy to do. All right. The second topic we are going to cover is partner postback. So let's go back to partner, manage, and let's click on this specific partner. So the partner postback is under partner postback, and you can see that there are 3 different sessions. You can add a conversion postback, you can add an event postback, and if you're running CPC offers, you can also add the CPC postback as well. There are also 3 types of postbacks. You can see it here. You can add a global postback. That means that this postback will be fired for all the offers that this partner is running. You can add a specific postbacks related to one offer, or you can add a specific postback related to one partner. So let me show you how does it look like. So here, you can have a global postback, or you can have a specific postback. In such case, you would choose a partner and offer combination. Or you would have a global offer postback. In such case, you would only choose an offer. And there are different post-delivery methods. Most likely you will use postback, and you would add the postback URL here. And you can, the same for event and CPC postback. It's all the same. So let's look at the postback really quick. So first, when you add a partner postback, you need to decide which parameter do you want your partner to pass their click ID. So in this case, it would be sub 1. Then what you would do is that I just add a postback here. We can look at it together. BS and flow IO. Then question mark. And let's say partner click ID is CID. Then you would put sub 1 here. So basically you tell the partner that they should use sub 1 macros to pass their click ID. And when conversion happened, we fire this post back to their system and we will replace the sub 1 with the click ID that they sent to us. So that's how it works. And in your tracking link, what you can do is that, let's pull a tracking link here. So offer partner, you can just say, okay, sub 1 would be your click ID, right? So this will be appended to the end of the tracking URL. So your partner would then replace the capital your click ID with whatever they're using to store and pass their click ID. So that's how it works. It's pretty straightforward. Once you have the postback implemented, you can always ask your partner to send a test link from their system, and we can do a partner postback test using our built-in test tool. So you would use the tracking link that you got from your partner. I don't have one, but I just want. Then you would start clicking on test, and our system would start generating a click and generate a conversion and validate the postback. Obviously, this one is not going to work, so it will throw an error message. If the postback, you see, I unable to retrieve click details, so you need to discuss with your partner and make sure they send you the right link. If the postback is successful, this is what you would see. I have a screenshot here. You would say it's working and the postback was successfully fired, and you can send the transaction ID to your partner and check if they do see the transaction conversions on their end. Yeah, once everything is good, you can reject this test conversions. This is the partner session. So I hope in terms of partner setup and the partner postback are clear. And we are just going to look a little bit in the partner card. There are a few other things I would like to mention, and I think it's helpful. So if you go to a specific partner, you can also see the visibility. You also have a few tabs. So the first one is visibility. You can always approve a partner on number of offers by selecting the offers and approve them on those offers. And you can also generate tracking links in bulk as well. So if you click on this, you would be able to generate the tracking links, right? This is how it looks like. And once it's done, you can send it over to them. And you can obviously check what are the users related to this partner and impersonate this partner as well. So you can see what the partner would see when they log in. Partners can add their own postbacks if they have a login to your Everflow account. You can see what are the terms and conditions under partner session, and you can see the custom settings, right? When you set up customer payout and revenue for a specific partner, you can also see it under this partner. You can also generate API keys for your partners if your partners would like to see the reporting stats via the API call. That's possible. You can also upload any documentations for your partners that you would like to manage within the platform. You can also set up an offer tracking domain for your partners. If it's a new partner and you would like to test out their traffic, it's possible to set up a specific tracking domains for them so that you make sure that you don't risk all the other partners, right? You can also check the platform usage, which partner has been logged in, and if they logged in, and also the reporting data. There are some histories that you can see as well if there's any changes made to this partner. So those are the partner details. And let's look at a reporting, which is also quite interesting. Sometimes you're doing the partner says, okay, I don't see the conversions on their end. Can you please check? So what you can do is normally go to partner Postback and filter on the specific date range that you did and filter on this specific partner, right? I'm not sure if there are any postbacks, but I'm gonna try. And then you would run a report. So you would see that what are the postbacks has been fired from your Everflow system to your partner on specific offers. And here you would see the payload of this specific postback and the status of this postback. So what you can do is to send this payload to your partner and ask them to check if they see anything on their end. Looks like the click ID hasn't been filled in. Why is that? And yeah, maybe that's the reason that they didn't receive the conversions. You can also click on the 3 dots all the way in the right and view the debug information, right? You can send this whole information to your partner and ask them to check on their end. So that is one way when you want to troubleshoot with your partner. All the other reporting are, you can also look at the partner referrals reporting. If you have a specific partner that is referred by others and they get commission on that, you can also do the partner referral reporting. Yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope this session is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support channel. You can find the support chat in the UI, and you can talk to one of our agents, or you can send an email to support@everflow.io. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.